So going forward, I'm trying to be here. Hello, how do you do? Welcome back to another video. How do you see my hair? I am loving the freedom that comes with it. I was told not to wash it until it's 6 weeks. Today is Monday, tomorrow will be the 4th week, and I cannot take it again. It looks so dry and unkept. So this morning, as usual, bring your ear. I wash it home. Do not tell anybody. So the video of the day, I have a new camera. This one is not a prank. This one, feeling doji. Yes, this one, it is not shagalicious. Yes, it is true. I have a camera. Before I show you the camera, I want to say thank you to Joy. Joy is a subscriber. So I got to know Joy when I spoke of my divorce. According to Joy, she was a subscriber because she also loves bees, and she was seeing her younger self in me. So when I uploaded that video about my divorce, she took it a step further to reach out to me, and since then it's been blessing upon blessing. She got Mommy that dark toy. Yeah, I will show it to you. We named it Enijie. Till date is called Enijie because I got her the usual chobi or doll, baby doll, the light skin colored doll. We're on a video call, and when she saw it, she said, no, Mommy is dark skin, so she has to get Obibini doll. Joy is a Jamaican married to a Ghanaian, so she understands the tree. So she got Mommy the doll from Amalina. So I made this candy doll for her birthday. So she said Mommy cannot have her first birthday with Obroni doll. The doll must be Obibini. Obibini. Do you understand Obibini and Obroni? Yeah, that the doll is white. We are Africans, so Mommy must have a blackie doll. So she asked us if we can get a shop that deals in such dolls. And then we said it's Amalina. So she went online and did everything. Look at Obibini doll. Do you like it? Guys, I wish Aram is here to do a review on this week. I cannot say everything that Joy has been doing for myself and my family. Joy, thank you so much. God bless you. So she got me this camera 3 years ago. Yes, I am saying 3 years ago, and I am now unboxing. So this is the story behind the camera. About 3 years ago, she came to Ghana with her husband and her son. I met them at the Accra. So when they came, the husband has gotten this camera. It was new. Yes, the husband has gotten this camera, but along the line, it became faulty. I think it was the first use. According to Joy, it became faulty. So when they went back, the warranty had not expired. So when they went back to the States, she took it to Canon, to the company, but the husband couldn't wait, so he got another camera. And Joy said, Mama, this camera is for you. And I think she had wanted to deliver it in person, but the story kept on changing. One thing led to the other, and eventually I asked Sweet Ajele if she could help me in that regard, and she said yes. So it was sent to Sweet Ajele, and I went to it. So I'm editing the video this morning, and I realized that I forgot to say thank you to Sweet Ajele. Ajele, you my job. God bless you. You don't know what you have done for me. She could have posted it, but then she was told that she can't post it with the battery. And looking at the price, looking at the cost of the camera, she said she will not allow me buy anyhow battery for here and put in to destroy the camera. So not until I get someone to deliver to me in person, she's not going to discharge that camera. So actually, this you did for me is an answered prayer. I now have a camera. Yes, this is how it is. This is the charger. The battery, as you can see, it is new. Look at the battery. Then this is the lens. Let me open it. And she didn't bring the manual because she knows that I aren't gonna read the manual. I'd rather watch videos on how to operate the camera than to read the manual. This is the lens, and this is the ogborodenche. Yes, the ogborodenche. Yes, this is how it looks like. I am so excited. I opened it yesterday to show her that yes, I have received it, but I was super tired, so I couldn't. I just showed it to her and then put it back. I didn't do anything with it. I didn't open it. I was super tired. So this is how it looks like. I am happy. I am happy. Your sister here, yes. This is it. And then she said that yes, into so she also got me a scan disk, a memory card, because it didn't come with the camera. So she went the extra mile to get me a memory card. So this is it. Yes, let's do it. Yes, so I am happy, you guys. I am very, very happy. So going forward, be here. So going forward, if I don't upload, then know that the matter is beyond physical. It is now spiritual, because my phone has a memory capacity of 1 terabyte. Yes, you heard me, 1 terabyte. So right now, if I don't post, know that the matter is beyond physical. It is spiritual. And know that something they do me, it is now not physical, but rather spiritual. Everybody needs joy in their lives. Your joy could be someone who advises you, someone who is there for you in times of trouble, your husband. That little child of yours could be your version of joy. Until I come your way with another video, I play that whenever you say a prayer, do not forget to say one for me and my household. And I leave you with the peace and the mercies of the Most High. Peace. Say shalom and chop kiss. Bye-bye. Let's post for thumbnail.